everyone. Good to see you. I just want to talk a little bit about what options we have when you list your home. Some of you may not know this, so I wanted to share this information with you. We don't just do traditional listing. We also have other services available, and I wanted to make sure you all knew what we handled. So number one is, if you are looking to sell your property, we do have cash offers through two ways: a wholesaler and other companies that will buy your home, so you don't have to put your home on the market and do the traditional selling. Each of them has their pluses and minuses. Each of them offer different variances off of what market value would be. Always remember, cash buyers are not looking to pay market value, but for some, this is a better way to move their property and go on with what they want to do in life versus going through the traditional selling. The other way is traditional selling, of course, and we can sell that in an as-is condition, meaning you're not going to do any upgrades, any repairs, anything. We can help you with pricing on that. And then the other way is how to maximize your price when you sell, and we also help you with that by staging tips, pricing accordingly, helping you with what upgrades may need to be done or not, and cover all those questions in our consultation with you. And lastly, we do also have renting. So we own Places and Spaces rental company, and if you're just not in the market to sell, you want to hold on to that house, we can handle that also. Lastly, we also do commercial real estate. Rick Stagers, hint hint, husband to Missy Stagers, runs our commercial department. He's been doing commercial real estate for over 20 years, so if you're looking for a business or an office or any of those things, he's available to help you as well. And lastly, one other program that we offer is if you're looking to maximize your price and you don't want to pull out an equity loan or use a credit card, I also have a financing option up to $10,000 that I offer. That way you don't have to go pull that equity and pay fees for getting an equity loan or pay 19-20% on a credit card. So I offer a program, a loan program for you all up to $10,000. Hopefully that covers all the ways in which we can help you sell your property, and I'm always available for questions, and we're here to help you in whatever capacity we can. Missy Stagers, broker owner of M. Stagers Realty Partners, and I just want to say thanks for watching our video.